How to set custom status on Discord easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to set custom status on Discord. So let's get started. You can open up discord.com on your laptop PC or on your mobile phone. Once you open it up, it will show you all of your different servers and then you will get your profile here. So you can just open up any of these servers and click on your profile right here at the bottom. Click on your profile and then we have the option of set custom status. Click on it. And here I can set a custom status. First of all, I can select and add whatever I want to. For example, I can add like busy and add an emoji too. So let's do that. So we can add here an emoji from our different servers. Then we have the option of clear after. So you can actually set a time limit for your status. You want to go with today, 4 hours, 1 day, 30 minutes, or don't clear at all. So it will like stay there. What I will do is I will select for 30 minutes, or maybe we can go with today. That will actually vanish it after 12 a.m. So what we can do is we can select the option. I'm gonna go with maybe 30 minutes. Then we have the status here. So it's invisible. I can go with online, idle, do not disturb. We can switch to online here or invisible. So I'm gonna select invisible. Click on save and you will see that my custom status will be added right here on Discord. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.